So in this video we are discussing one of the new lesson in civics, so that is government. So in that government we are discussing about why this government is needable in our society and what was the importance, and we are discussing in our society we can see there are different types of government. Each countries we can see there are various types of government. So which are the types of governments we can see in our world, so that also we are discussing. And another one we are discussing what was the uses in that particular government, because of there are different types of governments are there. In that, in what are the uses we can see or what are the futures we can see. So either in that also we are discussing, and what was the definition of government and why we need the government. So these are the matters we are discussing in this video. So first of all we want to know the definition or meaning of government. So when we are discussing about the government, this is one of the important part in our life, because we want to move our life as a happy way, or our nation or our society want to go as a systematical way. We need a government. So without the government we cannot see our society as a systematically. We cannot see that one. That much of needable part in our society, that is government. Government, because of we want to live as a comfortable life, we want to live as a free, or we want to live as a comfortable life, or we need a systematic administrative system. So in that purpose we need a government. And this government, here is saying what is meant by government, that only now we want to know. So here is saying this is the organization. So this is the institution. So these institutions formed by legal. Government means that is the institution, that institution formed by legal method, and they run the administration. That means they ruling to the peoples. They ruling the peoples. So this like a process, or this only they called as a government. So now we understood what is mean by government. So government means that is a systematic organization, and in this organization formed by a legal method, a legal framework. In this one institution is formed or organization formed. So these organizations rule the administrations, they rule the place. So in that process or in that only they give a name as a government. And now we are understood that means government is a institutions, and they have some of the major works. So what was the works we can see as a government's basic works. So first one here they given formulate laws. So major work of government, that is they want to create the laws, and second one they want to implement that one particular laws as in their particular society or the particular nation. So these only major works we can see as a government. And another one, so this law and implementation, this one want to ensure or they want to develop a peace of the citizens of that particular nation. If any government they implemented any law or they created any laws, so that law want to keep peoples as a peace, and they want to provide as a security life. So these like of laws want to create by government. So this is only major duty. So what we are seeing, there are different types of government. So there are different types of governments are there, but the major duty they want to formulate the laws and they want to implement that one as a proper way. Because of the law want to encourage the peoples as they want to live as a peaceful life. So in that purpose only we want to see as a government, or in this like only government they want to do as a work. And now we want to know, we understood government means definition and what was the major duties doing by government or major responsibility, that is they want to keep peace in a society. So that is a major duty. So this also we are discussed. So next one now we want to know, here we can see there are different types of government in our world or in our society. We can see there are different types of government. So here they given specially three types of government. So in that first one here they given democratic government, and second one dictatorial government, and another one is communist government. So these like we can see there are three types of government in our society. One is democratic, second one is dictatorial government, and third one is communist government. So now we want to know one by one each types of government. So what is meant by democratic government, what was the function they are doing, or what was the importance or why this government is needed in our society. Each types of government also we are discussing, and what was the work they are doing. So this also we are discussing. So first one we want to know in that democratic government. So democratic government, this is one of the important types of government, because of here is saying here the functions through, so how the government they function, they conducting the function, they electing the representatives by the peoples. So who are representatives they elected by the peoples, they ruling the particular society, or they only form the laws. So this like of structure or this like of process only we can call as a democratic government. So now we understood that means this government formulated function as a representative elected by the peoples. So in that based only representatives they are ruling in this government. And next one here we want to know, here peoples they ruling themselves and they are selecting representatives themselves. That means now we understood this government we can call as a people's government. So why we called as a democratic government as a people's government? Because of here representatives also peoples, and who are elected as the representatives, who are electing that particular representatives, that also peoples only. So here, so in that process or in that method only we given another name for democratic government, that is people's government. And here we can see peoples they have the freedom. They have the freedom, they can choose their own representatives. So now we understood that means here peoples they are selecting their representatives. And next one we want to know, here democracy they protecting individual freedom, and we can express our own feelings, and we have the freedom, we can form our own associations or institutions. So this like of freedoms or this like of facilities or this like of powers given by democratic government to peoples. That means we have the freedom, we have individual freedoms, we can travel anywhere, or we can build our shelters in which place is suitable, in that place we can build. So government they given freedom in democratic types of government. And second one, here they given freedom of expressions, we can say our own opinion, our own decisions also we can express it. And third one here is saying, here they given freedom to peoples in democratic governments, that is we can form our own institutions or associations. So these like of facilities we can see are these like of powers provided by democratic government to peoples. And next one here we want to know, here always we can see the good relationship between individuals and states. So both also they have good relationship, because of we already knowing democratic government means the peoples they electing by representatives. So representatives only here the government, and peoples only they are selected. So that's why we can see individual and the state. So both also we can see good relationship in democratic government. So in that based, Abraham Lincoln is one of the important president, ex-president in USA. He given a statement about democracy. So what was the statement he given? Here is saying democracy is a government of the people and by the people and for the people. That means he is saying definition. What is mean by democracy means? He is saying this government is created by, this is a government of peoples, and who are electing? Peoples only they are electing. And why they elected the peoples? To develop of the particular peoples, to develop themselves. So in that purpose only we can see the work of democracy. So that's why Abraham Lincoln given a statement. Democracy means, or democratic government means the government of the people, by the people and for the people. This is our only government and we only elected. Why we elected? To develop themselves. So this like the definition given by Abraham Lincoln about democracy. And next one we want to know, now we understood what is democracy and what was the facilities we are getting, our peoples, what was the powers or rights they are expressing in that democracy government. So this one now we understood. So next one now we want to know, there are different types of organs in government of the democracy. We can say there are different types of organs in democratic government. So here is saying, we can say in that there are three types of organs. So one is here is saying legislature, second one executive, and third one judiciary. So these are the important part in democracy government. Democracy means we are told already this one people elected government. So in that people elected government we can say as a there are three department or three part. So first one they given as a legislature, second one they told about executive, and third one judiciary. And what was the work doing each department or each organs? So that only now we want to know. So first one, here they given legislatures. So legislatures means the main work of legislatures to form a laws, to create a laws. So these like of works doing by legislatures. And what was the work of executive? So what was the laws formed by legislatures? So these are the laws who are implementing here means executive. So now we understood that means what was the work of executive. The work of executive, implementation of famed laws. So what was the laws they created? So these are the laws who are implementing here executive. And next one, what was the work of judiciary in democracy government? So they say, so what they implemented laws, so on that based judiciary, they dealing justice, are they implementing justice to peoples? Are they giving judgment to peoples? By what the legislative form or what executive is implemented? So this based on act, the judiciary, they giving judgment to peoples. Are they giving awareness to particular about of laws? So these like we can see the work of democracy in there are organs. So what was the work they are doing? So we have discussed there are three types of organs we can see in democratic government. One is legislature, second one executive, third one judiciary. Legislature form the law, executive implementing, judiciary implementing the justice or issues of justice. So these like of works we can see in there are three types of government organs. Now we want to know next another important topic in democracy government. So that is here is saying fundamental principles of democracy. That means what was the powers or what was the objective based works doing by democracy government. So this only now we want to know. That means what was the functions or what was the rights given by democracy government to peoples, or what was the facilities or what was the equality or what was the rights got by peoples, citizen of that particular government of democracy. So this in first one we want to know, that is freedom. Here when you are discussing about the democracy government, one of the basic objectives or basic principles of democracy government, that is freedom. Here who are they came under the control of democracy government? The peoples, they have freedom. They can participate in governance, or they can express and they can say their opinion, and they can travel anywhere in the nation. So these like of freedoms we can see in democracy government. One is we can do work as in our government. We also can become as a representative in our government. And second one, we can express or we can share our opinion. And third one, we can travel anywhere. So these like of facilities we can see. And next one, not only these are the powers or these are the freedoms, we can see we can participate in social functions also and gathering programs also. If any festivals or any traditions or any programs are conducted in society, in any programs, we can participate. The government, they given freedom because of all are equal under the law. So these like of concept we can see in democracy government. So that's why which are the social functions or social programs we can see in our government or in our democracy government. So in that peoples, they can involve it or they can participate. So these like also freedom we can see. So these like we can see there are different types of freedoms. We can travel, we can say our opinion. So we have freedoms, there are different, and we can get the education. So this also freedom we have, and we can ask the question, we can share our ideas. So these like of freedoms also we can see in democracy government. So after the democracy government in freedom of principles of freedom, so after that second one here they given, that is equality. Equality is one of the important principles in democracy, because of in democracy how this one democracy government is formed based on all are equal concept. So why they implemented this like of concept? Because of in our society we all are human beings, we all are equal, we have equal rights. So that only is saying by democracy. So in that based only programs they conducting by democracy government. Because of here is saying the basic another important principle of democracy government, that is equality. That means we all are equal. So in that based concept only they are doing programs. And in that based democracy government, they given facility to people's equal opportunity. There is no discriminations we cannot see in democracy government, because of this one government is elected by the peoples, and this government for we elected for the development of our peoples or our citizen of that particular government. So in that purpose only we elected. That means we elected the government. So in that government they want to consider the peoples all are as a equal. And next one here they say, and any programs or anything they are conducting or they implementing, they should not see about the caste or creed, race, language, sex or financial states, or we cannot say as a poor or rich. So this like we cannot consider it. So this like a concept you cannot see in democracy government, because of already we have discussed democracy means here under the law all are equal. So that means if any government, if they implemented any programs, so in that programs that suitable to all the peoples in that particular government. Should not see government particular caste or particular group or particular language or only for rich peoples or only for poor peoples. No. So if any laws or any programs implemented, they want to should consider based on all are equal. So in that based concept only they want to implement a programs. So next third one here they given fraternity. So here this is also one of the important concept we can see in democracy government. Here they say we all are brotherhood. There is no any based on caste or based on language or creed or race or religion or other things. We cannot difference the human beings. We should not do difference. Here only one concept, we all are equal. So these like of concepts we can see in democracy government, that is fraternity. That means we all are equal. We should not difference or we should not divide the peoples as they are based on name of religion or caste or creed. Should not divide it. We all are one. This is one nation and we all under the control of democratic system, and our nationality only the Indian. We should not say our religion, this one we are great, no they are low. Should not say that like. So these like of methods or this like of policy or this like of principles we can see in democracy, the principles of democracy. And next one here they given welfare of all. Next one here they say in democracy government we can see another important feature or principle. So that is here they saying welfare of all. So if any government, if any democratic government they implemented any programs or any policy, so this one want to the main objectives of this policy, that is aim of welfare of all the peoples, not a particular race. No. Here is saying in that programs peoples they want to achieve political development and economic development as well as social development also. So these like a concept based programs want to implement government, democracy government. So these like a based on principles based work doing by democracy government. That means the main aim of democracy government, if any programs they published or they implemented or any laws they implemented in our country or in our place, because of the development of peoples. So in that based concept only they want to implement as a programs. And next one we want to know, fifth one here they given government of the people. The principles of, next one another important principles of democracy. So that is here they given the government of the people. So here we can see already we have discussed democracy government means this is the people's, by the people's government. Who are elected here? Peoples only elected, and representatives also they came in their particular society only. So that's why this government is formed by a peoples, and who are representatives for them elected by peoples. We can see particular schedules are there. 5 years, after the 5 years we can see every 5 years we can see the government or the election commission they conducting the elections. So on that base representatives they are electing. That means who are the representatives they elected? They are peoples. They came in our society, we only elected. And we have another chance also. If they did not did any work as comfortable, if they failed in administrative matters, we have once again power. Next term we can lose the particular candidate, or we can say should not stand once again in that particular election. So these type of powers we can see in democracy government. So that is this democracy, that is government of the peoples, means we only electing the representatives, and if that particular representative, if they did not did or if he failed in their particular responsibilities or their duties, we have once again power. Once again, if they stand for elections, we can lose the powers. We can elect any other person also. These like of powers we can see in democratic government. So after next one here they given next one, another sixth one important fundamental principles of democracy. So that is majority government. So here we can see our government or democracy government, they given another important freedom to peoples. We can organize institutions, or we can implement, or we can form a parties, political parties, and in that political parties they have the power, they can stand for elections. And who are the election, or who are the political parties they stand for the election? So in that, which party they got a highest numbers of seat, so they have the power, they can form their own government in a particular democracy government, and they have the power, they can do administrative, they can do administration in that particular place. So these like of systems, or these like of principles we can see in democracy principles or democratic government. So that means here government or democracy system, they given power to peoples. We can associate, or we can implement any institutions or any political parties, saying that based on political parties we can stand for election. So in that elections, which are the representatives or any party, if they got highest numbers, so for them we are calling, or we given power to administrate, or they can run the government. They have the power, they can run the government. So these like of powers, or these like of based on principles work also doing by democracy government. So after that, next seventh one here is saying opportunities for public criticism. So here another important power, or one of the important rights we can see in democracy government, that is we have the freedom in democracy government, that is we can speak and we can express the opinion, and we can review if any policy or anything if implemented by the government, laws or articles or any act or any programs, we have the powers, we can speak against the policy, or we can say favor of the policy, and we can express our opinion, and we can criticize the policy also. If any government they implemented any policies, people they have the power, we can oppose the policy, or if it is a good policy, we can say good opinions about that particular policy. So these like in democracy government, we can say the government are the who are the under the democracy government, for them are the peoples who are there, for them they given a freedom. We can share our opinion, we can oppose, or we can accept. So both power also given by democracy government. So in that based we can get a public opinion also. So based on public opinion, government also they can easily they can conduct, or they can implement their own programs based on public opinion. So in that purpose only they implemented by opportunity to public criticism. Means if any policy that is not suitable to in our society, we can oppose, or if that policy is good in our environment and in our society, we can accept. So both freedom also given by democracy government. And next one, eighth one here is saying decentralization of power. So here we can see democracy another important feature, or another important principle, that is decentralization. Here the government is run by the based on principles of decentralization. So that means here the government they distributed powers to different types of government. They are divided, there are different types of government. We can see in national level we can see central government, in state level we can see state government, same way in local level also we can see local self government. In city areas we can see municipalities, in village areas we can see as a panchayat. So these like local self government are we can see there are different types of governments implemented by democracy. Because of here one of the important principle of democracy that is decentralization of the powers. If you concentrated the power in particular any one person, he could not identify, I could not observe the all over the nation. That is not easy way. So in that purpose only, in democracy government, in that the government they distributed powers as a different ways. And here we can see, and peoples they can say. So if centralized the system, here we cannot ask any question, because of that is very difficult, because of government is there any power. So we cannot ask any question. But if we can see local level also, local level only we can see any government, we can ask the questions easily and we can get our facilities as possible as soon we can get. But if centralized the power, we cannot get that much of fast, and we cannot raise any questions because of they could not earn. So these like problems we can see. So in that purpose only, in democracy government we can see the government they given power to in the democracy principles, that is we can decentralize the power, we can divide the powers. So on that based work only we can see democracy principles or democracy government. And last one here they say in the principles of democracy, so that is adult franchise system. Here another important power or one of the important principle in democracy government, that is adult franchise freedom. So here already we are knowing every 5 years the government are in the democracy in they conducting a election. So in that elections, how the peoples they putting the vote, how they get the powers of to give a vote to elected representatives. So that process only here they give a name as a adult franchise. So who are the peoples were they given power as a to elect a representatives? So that means here they are saying citizens, that means a particular nation citizen, if they have 18 years age and above, so for them the democracy government or the democracy principle they given power as a, they have the power, they can put the vote and they can give the vote to representatives. So these like of methods or these like of principles also we can see in democracy principle. That means here we can see adult franchise system. So we already discussed how we are electing representatives in democracy means by a voting. So next one question now arises, that is how they electing. So who are the citizens for the given power to give a vote to representatives? So that only now they given information, that is who are the adult means here is saying 18 years age and above, who are the citizens of that particular nation. There is no based on caste or religion or gender, we cannot see that, like, or based on class we cannot see. So equally, who are the citizens of that particular nation? If the citizen, if age is 18 or the above, so for them in our democracy government they given power, that is adult franchise, means we can give vote to representatives and we can elect the representatives. So in that based principles concept only we can see in democracy government. So now we understood there are 9 principles. So in that based on 9 principles only we can see our democracy government is working. So that only we are discussed. So first one we discussed about freedom and equality, fraternity, welfare of all and government of the peoples. And sixth one we discussed about majority of government. And next one we are discussed opportunity for public criticism. Eighth one we are discussed about decentralization of powers. And ninth one we are discussed about adult franchise system. So in that based on 9 concept based only we can see the democratic government is working. So these are the important points about definition of democracy and the principles of democracy, and 3 organs also we have discussed: legislatures, executive and judiciary. So these are the important points about democracy government. So next class we can discuss about next another remaining 2 types of government. So that one we can discuss in next class. Okay.